If you got 2 cans of chickpeas in 15 minutes, you can make this dinner. These creamy lemon butter chickpeas are garlicky, buttery, packed with fresh lemon flavor, and made with simple ingredients you probably already have. And wait until you see what I add at the end. It's a little trick that gives it big lemon flavor without tasting sour. All right, grab those chickpeas and let's get cooking. We're gonna start by adding some vegan butter to a large skillet and let that melt a bit. Once that melts, we're going in with plenty of fresh garlic. Give that about 30 seconds. We don't want it to burn. We want it to lightly brown. Now add your drained and rinsed chickpeas. We're gonna add our chickpeas and we're gonna allow them to get a little toasty to increase that flavor and that texture. This is why I love keeping chickpeas in my pantry. They're inexpensive, super filling, and you can come up with a delicious dinner right in a pinch. Add your seasonings and give everything a good stir so those chickpeas starts picking up all that garlicky flavor. Mash about 1/4 of the chickpeas to release the starches. This will thicken the dish and make it nice and creamy. Okay, now that we've mashed our beans, we're gonna add our milk and let it simmer for a few minutes. I'm using soy plant-based milk, but you can use almond milk or any type of plant-based milk you desire. Now we're gonna add a little bit more plant-based butter and some nutritional yeast just to amp the flavor up a bit. Before the lemon juice goes in, add fresh lemon zest. Here's a quick lemon tip. Poke a hole in your lemon at the top and squeeze out as much as you need and save the rest for later. No cutting required. This is how we get big lemon flavor without pouring in so much juice that the sauce becomes sour. You know that 5 o'clock feeling you get when you're like, what do I even make for dinner? Instead of digging around on the web, I have everything right here on my Divine Chef budget-friendly Eats app. Budget dinners you won't find on the channel or on my website. You can save your favorites and skim a whole catalog right at your fingertips. I use it all the time, and I really think you'll love it too. I'll leave a link in the description below so you can check it out. I'm adding some spinach for color, and it's an easy way to get some greens into dinner. It's so creamy and garlicky and so buttery. And just think, it only took 15 minutes to make, and it's amazing. Wow. You gotta try this one. Wow. If these easy 15-minute dinners have helped you, then check out this playlist. And tell me below, what ingredients do you have in your pantry? I might take those ingredients and make it the next meal. And if you don't know, I have over 600 free recipes on my website. I'll leave the link in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.